The Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is shaping up to be one of the most significant APS-C releases in recent memory, and rumors suggest it could completely redefine what photographers and videographers expect from Canon's crop sensor mirrorless lineup. One of the most exciting leaks points to 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with no crop, a feature that would put the R9 ahead of virtually every other APS-C camera on the market. This alone has content creators, sports shooters, and wildlife photographers buzzing, as it promises a level of performance previously reserved for more expensive full-frame or hybrid cinema cameras. But there's far more to the R9 than just its high-speed video capabilities. Let's start with design. Early reports and leaked schematics indicate that the Canon EOS R9 may feature a hybrid body construction using magnesium alloy and polycarbonate, balancing durability with manageable weight. The grip is rumored to be deeper and more ergonomically contoured than its predecessor, the Canon EOS R7, which could make a noticeable difference for long handheld shoots or action photography. Weather sealing is also expected to be upgraded, matching the level seen in Canon's higher-end mirrorless bodies, which means shooters won't have to worry as much about rain, dust, or extreme shooting conditions. Another notable upgrade is a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, which is reportedly confirmed by multiple sources. This move aligns the R9 more closely with the demands of content creators, bloggers, and hybrid shooters who require flexibility for multi-angle shooting. The electronic viewfinder is also said to be redesigned, with a resolution rumored to exceed 3.6 million dots, offering a sharper and more immersive experience for composing images in bright light or fast-action scenarios. Dual card slots are heavily speculated, with one supporting SD-UHS-2 cards and the other CF Express, ensuring fast, reliable storage for high-resolution images and large video files. Canon also appears to be pushing connectivity upgrades, adding Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for faster tethering, remote shooting, and smoother file transfers, an essential consideration for modern workflows. At the heart of the Canon EOS R9 is its sensor. The rumors point to a completely new stacked APS-C sensor with resolution likely in the 32 to 40 megapixel range, which would represent a notable step up from the 32.5 megapixel sensor in the EOS R7. A stacked sensor architecture allows for faster readout speeds, meaning rolling shutter effects can be significantly reduced, burst shooting speeds can be dramatically increased, and overall image quality can be maintained even in demanding high-speed photography. Improvements in dynamic range and low-light performance are also anticipated, as Canon's latest digic processor is expected to handle noise reduction, color accuracy, and tonal transitions with far greater finesse. This means smoother gradations in shadows and highlights, less banding, and more usable detail in challenging lighting. Color science is another area likely to see refinement, with Canon's proprietary algorithms providing better skin tones, richer colors, and more consistent results across a range of lighting conditions. For photographers who value both aesthetics and technical precision, these enhancements could make a tangible difference in everyday shooting. Autofocus is where the Canon EOS R9 could really distinguish itself. Rumors suggest it will include Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 or possibly even a new version, dual-pixel CMOS AF3, which builds on Canon's strengths with improved subject recognition, face and eye tracking, and expanded detection for animals, vehicles, and other moving subjects. The autofocus coverage is expected to span nearly the entire frame, offering unprecedented freedom to compose creatively without worrying about losing focus on your subject. AI-driven predictive algorithms are also reportedly part of the package, allowing the camera to learn subject movement patterns and anticipate where the subject will be, making it far more reliable for sports, wildlife, and dynamic street photography. This is particularly significant in APS-C cameras, where tight crops can amplify focus errors, making every millimeter of tracking accuracy essential. In terms of stabilization, leaks suggest the system could provide up to 8 stops of shake correction when paired with optical image stabilized lenses, a feature that would greatly benefit handheld shooters and allow for longer exposures in low light conditions without a tripod. When it comes to performance and video capabilities, the Canon EOS R9 could set a new benchmark for APS-C mirrorless cameras. Thanks to the stacked sensor and next-generation digic processor, burst shooting speeds could reach up to 30 frames per second, with an improved buffer capable of sustaining these speeds without the slowdowns that frustrated R7 users. Video capabilities are rumored to be equally impressive, with 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, a first for Canon's APS-C cameras, and hints of limited 8K recording, though this may come with restrictions on duration or bitrate due to thermal limitations. Canon is reportedly addressing heat management through a combination of passive heat dissipation and optimized firmware control to ensure longer recording sessions without overheating. Internal recording is expected to include Canon Log 3 with 10-bit 4:2:2 color, while a full-size HDMI output should support external recorders, making the R9 a viable option for professional video workflows. This combination positions the camera not just as a high-speed stills option but as a competent hybrid tool capable of producing professional-grade video for content creators, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters. The potential release timeline is another point of interest. Multiple sources suggest the Canon EOS R9 could be officially announced in the second half of 2025, possibly during the fourth quarter, with pricing rumored to start around $1,799. If these estimates hold true, Canon is positioning the R9 as a premium APS-C camera that competes directly with the likes of the Sony Alpha A6700 and even challenges some full-frame options like the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II in terms of video capabilities. This strategic positioning suggests Canon is serious about making a statement in the APS-C space, not just releasing an incremental upgrade. The implications of these rumors extend beyond technical specifications. The Canon EOS R9 looks like more than a successor to the R7, it appears to be a redefinition of what an APS-C mirrorless camera can achieve. By combining faster readout speeds, robust autofocus, advanced stabilization, high-speed burst performance, and unprecedented video capabilities, the R9 could challenge not only rival APS-C cameras but also encroach on the territory of more expensive full-frame models. For wildlife and sports photographers, this means a camera capable of tracking fast-moving subjects accurately while delivering high-resolution images suitable for large prints or tight crops. For videographers and content creators, the ability to shoot uncropped 4K at 120 FPS opens up new creative possibilities without the compromises seen in earlier models. Canon seems to be addressing the complaints that have historically plagued their APS-C line, including buffer limitations, overheating, and cropped video, all while offering improvements in ergonomics, handling, and connectivity. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R9 has the potential to be a game-changer for APS-C photography and videography. With a deeper grip, advanced weather sealing, stacked APS-C sensor, faster burst shooting, robust stabilization, intelligent AI autofocus, uncropped high frame rate video, and modern connectivity, it may set a new standard for what photographers and creators expect from crop sensor cameras. Whether you are a wildlife photographer capturing fast-moving subjects, a sports shooter needing extended burst performance, or a content creator looking for professional-grade video in a compact body, the R9 promises to bridge performance and practicality in ways we have not seen before. The rumored pricing, release window, and feature set suggest Canon is preparing to make a significant impact, possibly redefining the APS-C market while giving photographers and videographers a tool that is as versatile as it is powerful. For those who have been waiting for an APS-C mirrorless camera that doesn't compromise on performance or features, the Canon EOS R9 could be the long-awaited answer.